Babies, let's enter the alphabet with some color. Yellow color, brown color, violet color, orange color, light green color, green color. First, light green color. Light green color, S. S for strawberry. Yellow color. Yellow color, T. T for tiger. Orange color. Orange color, U. U for umbrella. Green color. Green color, V. V for vase. Brown color. Brown color, W. W for watermelon. W for window. Violet color. Violet color, X. X for X-ray. S. S for strawberry. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. V. V for vase. W. W for window. X. X for X-ray. Thank you.